Take command of the road in the 2010 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, four-passenger truck has not yet reached the 130,000-kilometer mark. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including a rear step bumper, heated seats, a tonneau cover, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.